In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover an unsaved Microsoft project file. If project crashed, closed unexpectedly, or you simply forgot to save, there's still a chance your work can be recovered. The key is to methodically check where project stores temporary and auto-saved files, and to act quickly before anything gets overwritten. Start by reopening Microsoft Project. After a crash, Project may display a document recovery pane as soon as the app launches. If you see it, take a moment to review the recovered versions listed there. Open the most recent one to confirm it contains your latest changes, then immediately save it to a safe location using Save As and a new file name. If there are multiple recovered versions, keep them all until you're certain you've preserved the right one. Pay attention to the timestamps to determine which is the newest. If the recovery pane doesn't appear, check whether Auto Recover saved anything in the background. Open Project, even without loading a file, and go to File, then Options, then Save. Here you'll see the Auto Recover file location. Note that path, open File Explorer, and navigate to it. Look for recently modified files with names similar to AutoSave project name.mpp or anything that clearly indicates an autosave. Double-click promising candidates to open them in Project, and if they load successfully, use Save As to store them in a reliable folder with a clear name. Next, search the Windows Temp folder. Press the Windows key and R, type %temp%, and press Enter. In this folder, sort by date, modified so the newest items are on top. Look for files with extensions like mpp or .tmp, or names starting with a tilde or mentioning auto recovery. If you find something that might be your project, copy it to your desktop or another folder first. If it has a .tmp extension, try renaming it to .mpp, then attempt to open it in Project. Always copy rather than move or delete, so you can try different approaches without losing the original. Finally, check for backups or cloud versions. If you save to OneDrive, SharePoint, or another cloud service, open the file online and review its version history. You can often restore or download an earlier version from before the crash. If Windows File History is enabled on your PC, you may also be able to restore a previous version of the folder or the project file. If none of these options turn up your work, recovery may not be possible. To reduce future risk, make a habit of saving frequently and keeping Auto Recover enabled with a short interval.